And with the world's first wooden satellite built by scientists in Japan headed into space Monday atop a SpaceX rocket launched from NASA's Kennedy Space Center. It'll stay in orbit for 6 months, 250 miles above the Earth, attempt to prove wood is a space-grade material. Sensors on board will measure how the material puts up temperatures in space, which range from -148 degrees to +212 degrees Fahrenheit every 45 minutes as it orbits from darkness to sunlight. The LignoSat is a palm-sized satellite developed by Kyoto University and home builder Sumitomo Forestry. Scientists say they'll test wood's ability to reduce the impact of radiation on semiconductors, a useful test for applications such as building data centers. A wooden satellite burns up in the Earth's atmosphere at the end of its life, with much less pollution too, compared to metal ones. The Kyoto University research team has high hopes for the test, which is one step in the longer-term dream to build timber houses on the Moon and Mars.
Former Japanese space shuttle astronaut Takao Doi was part of the Kyoto team.
If we can use materials that humans can make and bring them to outer space, people will be able to create a sustainable society. Therefore, we want to find out if wood can be used in space or not, and that's why we made this wooden satellite.
LignoSat, named after the Latin word for wood, will be released from the space station in the coming weeks. It will orbit for 6 months, testing how well the material can withstand the extreme environment. Forest science professor Koji Murata says wood can actually perform well in space, as there's nothing there to make it rot or catch fire.
The wood used for the satellite comes from a type of magnolia tree, Japanese hinoki. Traditionally, it is easy to process and resistant to shattering, which is why it is typically used for things like the scabbards of Japanese swords and the blades of Japanese wooden sandals due to its strength.
Wood also offers benefits at the end of the satellite's life, when it will burn up harmlessly in the Earth's atmosphere. Traditional satellites burn up too, but give off a shower of polluting metal particles when they do. Looking further ahead, Doi sees the satellite as a step towards a bigger dream.